Okay, this is a challenge called the 60-second sweep. And basically, you are saying the factors of each of the numbers. It shows a really good number sense. And what's special about the numbers here in the middle, the bolded ones, there is that they have multiple sets of factors. Here, we're not saying the factors of one and the number, like 4, it has factors 4 and 1, right? 4 times 1 is 4, and 2 times 2, which is also 4. Uh, but these numbers here in the middle have multiples, like 24 has 12 times 2, but we're not going to say the double digits, and we're not going to say 24 times 1. We're just going to say 6 times 4 and 8 times 3. So that's an example of what we're doing there in that middle row. And everything else just has the 2 single-digit factors besides the 1 in itself. So I'm going to demonstrate to you it's possible to do in 1 minute if you really, really, really practice. This is something that you could practice a little bit every day and get better and better at it. Okay, are we ready? Set. 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 7, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 2, 6, 3, 9, 2, 6, 4, 8, 3, 9, 9, 8, 9, 9, 8, 9, 9. Hey, there, I did it in about 30 seconds or a little bit, more or
You
less
did it
there.
in 25.
Okay, well, no, that's how much is left. So yeah, Leo was timing me too to keep me on task. So just showing you the art of the possible. You can take a breath. I did it quite fast there. The instructions are there. And yeah, you don't have to say 2 times 2 because that takes too much time, but just knowing the numbers. So have a go. It's a fun challenge.